Indian Scout Best Cruiser Motorcycle for Beginners. The allure of the open road, the sense of freedom, and the rhythmic purr of a powerful engine, the world of motorcycling captivates the hearts of enthusiasts and novices alike. For beginners taking their first steps into this exhilarating realm, the choice of their inaugural motorcycle is a significant decision. The Indian Scout, with its blend of performance, heritage, and cruiser comfort, emerges as an iconic choice. With its legendary power, timeless design, and rider-centric features, the Indian Scout stands as an exceptional option for novices eager to embrace the cruiser lifestyle. Commanding performance and captivating power. At the heart of the Indian Scout series lies a potent engine that exudes power and excitement. This engine delivers an invigorating performance, allowing beginners to experience the thrill of cruising with an engine that responds seamlessly to their commands. Cruiser comfort and rider ergonomics. The Indian Scout is designed with rider comfort as a top priority, offering a relaxed and inviting riding position that characterizes cruiser motorcycles. The low seat height, mid-mounted foot controls, and wide handlebars create an ergonomic configuration that ensures comfort even during extended rides. Iconic cruiser design and timeless aesthetics. The Scout embodies the quintessential cruiser design while weaving in the rich heritage of Indian motorcycles. Its graceful lines, classic silhouette, and distinctive Indian motorcycle styling pay homage to the brand's legacy and cruiser aesthetics. Novice riders not only experience the joy of cruising but also embrace the heritage that defines cruiser motorcycles. Smooth handling and effortless maneuverability. The Indian Scout offers smooth handling and an easy-to-maneuver nature, making it well-suited for riders new to the cruiser segment. Its balanced chassis and responsive characteristics contribute to a stable and confident riding experience. Advanced safety and riding assurance. Safety remains paramount, especially for beginner riders. Many Indian Scout models come equipped with advanced safety features like ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. This feature offers novices an added layer of confidence as they navigate various road conditions. Versatility for urban and scenic riding. The Scout's versatility makes it suitable for various riding scenarios. From urban commutes to leisurely rides along scenic routes, novices can effortlessly transition between different environments while savoring the comfort and style that the cruiser offers. Community and rider bonding. Enthusiasts of the Indian motorcycle brand form a tight-knit community that warmly welcomes beginners. Joining this community provides novices access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for the Indian Scout's cruiser lifestyle. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Indian Scout encourages skill development as beginners build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the bike's capabilities, fine-tuning their riding techniques and fully embracing the cruiser experience. Long-term riding satisfaction. The Indian Scout isn't just a beginner's choice, it's a lifelong companion for the cruiser journey ahead. Its comfort, performance, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the Scout as they evolve from novices to seasoned cruiser enthusiasts. Conclusion. The Indian Scout series embodies Indian Motorcycle's commitment to delivering an exhilarating and iconic cruiser experience for beginners. With its commanding performance, timeless design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the Scout provides an immersive introduction to the cruiser lifestyle. By choosing an Indian Scout motorcycle, novices embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a cruiser community that shares their passion for leisurely rides and the enduring allure of the open road.